Hello guys, good day and welcome to SAM the Machinist. And today I'm going to show you how to create an account from Autodesk and how to download Fusion 360. Open your browser and you can start searching for Fusion 360. Type Fusion 360 and you can click this download Fusion 360 for free. Download and select one of the choices if this is just your hobby or student or a business user. So I will select this one as my hobby user, very limited version, then click get started, and then at the bottom on the left side, free for qualified hobbyist user, get started. Click this one, make an account. Of course I'm going to input my name, email, so you should confirm your email, make sure they are the same. You must enter your password. Then you should agree to Autodesk terms of use and acknowledge the privacy statement. If you want to read all of those terms of use and privacy, you can read it, but for now I'm just going to check this one and create an account. Check this box and done. And you have this another window you need to build in. Donna, New Zealand, then cell phone number, and click this one. I agree. Click next, and then you can start the download of your Fusion 360. So click download, allow. On the upper part of your browser, you can see it start downloading. So it will take a few minutes to finish. Then I will click this. It's opening now. So I have now my Fusion 360 and I can start now making my design. It says right click to open. Click open. So you can see only just 1% at the moment, so it will take a few minutes to finish the setting up to 100%. We are just going to wait until it is done, and then we can start our Fusion to make some design. Okay guys, so the download is done and I can use now my Fusion. I just need to sign into my account. Alright guys, so the verification email is sent to my email and I just need to verify. Done. Click continue. Setting up Fusion. Click next. Alright guys, so I downloaded my Fusion 360 successfully and now you can yours also. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you can download your own Fusion 360 and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SAM the Machinist and see you on my next vlog.